Can you imagine going to a professional sporting event, a basketball or hockey game, and you realize there's no scoreboard in the arena? You'd never know who was winning or who was losing. Or picture yourself driving your car, but there was no dashboard to look at. You'd never know if you were going too fast or too slow, or if you're going to run out of gas. Well, of course, you'd never put up with either of those situations. And yet, in our organization and in our teams, rarely do we have a dashboard to look at, something where we can look at any given time and assess, are we winning or losing? Now, you may have the clearest mission, vision, values in the world, but do people know? Can they assess? Are we living those words out? Your strategic plan may have super clear goals and targets and objectives, but can people assess, am I delivering on my commitment to those goals? Every team needs a dashboard, something where people can immediately assess if they're winning or losing, and go beyond measuring just profit metrics, things like revenue, expenses, net income, and also measure purpose metrics. Are we reaching more of the right people? What right now is the impact of our product or service? Now, this is a little easier if you're in sales or marketing or something like that. It's tricky if you're in something like human resources or a not-for-profit. But it's just maybe even more as important. If you can take the time to create a simple, clear dashboard that measures just a few key metrics that anybody at any given time can look at and know whether they're winning or losing, you will see engagement, motivation, and the unity of your team go to the next level.